How to fix guided access not working on iPhone. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video today I'll guide you through the steps on how you can fix guided access not working on iPhone. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide it through. In order to fix guided access not working on your iPhone, what you can do is you want to ensure that it is enabled. So first head into settings. Under settings you want to head into accessibility. Now you'll have to check two different things here. The first is you want to head into guided access and you want to make sure that it is enabled. The other is you want to make sure that the accessibility shortcut is enabled as well. You need to be in the specific app you want to use with guided access before attempting to start a session. Then you can triple click the side button or home button on older iPhones to activate guided access. If guided access still isn't working, you can try and force a restart on your iPhone. Restart your iPhone and it should fix the issue. So I hope this video has helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave comments down below if you have any further issues.